In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix we are unable to handle your request for Rockstar Games. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So when the Rockstar Games launcher throws the "sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time" block, your client is failing a critical security token handshake. So what you want to do is press your Windows key and then type in date and time, and you're going to see date and time settings. Look at the toggles for set time automatically and set time zone automatically. Turn them both off and then turn them back on. Scroll down slightly and locate the additional settings block, and then you want to go ahead and click sync now as well. And then ensure your location services are enabled so Windows accurately maps your true regional time zone structure, and then close the window and then attempt to open again. Now what we can also do is flush the social club profile cache. So press your Windows key and E to open up your file explorer, and then what you want to do is locate a folder explicitly named Rockstar Games. Open it, right click the social club folder and delete it. Then relaunch your software and the launcher will automatically re-verify its asset integrity data and prompt a clean login screen. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.